ilobolo is not a wedding, then what is a wedding? What is a traditional wedding? How did Africans get married before the whites or the Caucasians came to Africa? Well, Ndonekaya, a traditional wedding are the rituals and ceremonies that happen after ilobolo. Ngikhuluma ngani? Ngikhuluma ngento bathi lidwende nobukhazi in the Ndebele culture. And I know someone is gonna come and say, but Nika, ukhuluma ngesintu samaNdebele, whereas you were addressing the whole nation of Africans. Well, Ndonekaya, awukho umhlobo eSewula Afrika nofana eAfrika onganabo ubukhazi. Khuyini ubukhazi? Ubukhazi, it's when umntazana othina kalotsholiweko akhambe asuke ekhabo aye ekhabo lendoda. Nakafika ekhabo lendoda kulapho kena sebamhlabela imbuzi nofana imvu in the Sotho culture. Nabaqeda umhlabela isilwaneso bakhiphe inyongo. Nabaqeda ukhipha inyongo bamthele ngayo, bamkhothise yona, bayithathe bayiluke esihluthini sakhe nofana bayiqobotshele engutshane nakhe nofana bamfake yona esandleni. Usuke enzeni? Usuke sekwenzeka ini? A traditional wedding. Ke zinengi manenga amasiko pilo or the rituals ezako ngaphasi kwani kwedwendwe nobukhazi. Ingasi ukuhlatshelwa isilwane kwaphela bese uthele ngenyongo. Now in each and every culture, in each and every language, we have a specific word for umnyanya loyo, for traditional wedding. Njengoba ngisho ngithi mina eMandebeleni sithi lidwende nobukhazi. Now ukhamba uzoza abanye bathi kisirwalo. Ukhamba uzwa abanye bathi mbondo nofana kugqiba amasondo. Ukhamba khambe ishuthi uye kiyo wonke imhlobo kodwana enzani bukhona ubukhazi. Bukhona into yokuthi umntazana wakwamabhena athathwe efake ebezimini nofana edlozini la kwamasango. Now ilobolo nofana inkomo azikuphi isibongo. Now khipha inkomo ekhaya uziphekelela awukhamba uphethe isibongo. Into yesibongo ifika ekutheni sinikela umntazana nakeze kuphi nasele eze ekhaya seyangaphasi kwethu simphethele amasiko layo simnikele isibongo. Now khuyini ke ilobolo nangabe akusiwo umtchado loyo? Lalela. Into le asenze isibonelo nofana ngithini isingathekiso. Isibonelo kuthi mhlambe now uno matric akusho ukuthi une bachelor. Now uno matric you have an admission to a bachelor's degree. Now when your goal is to have what? PhD. When ufuna ukubizwa ngobani? Dr. Lungile Mabhena. Ufuna ukubizwa ngobani? Mrs. Lungile Mabhena. Now if you want to get a PhD, can you move from matric and say tada kwa PhD ngiyayifuna PhD? No, you have to go through what? Mele ukhambe uyokufundela i-bachelor's degree uyithole. Ufundele i-honors degree uyithole. Ufundele i-master's degree uyithole. Bese ngikhani ufika ku-PhD bese ke uyavunuliswa ke ngomyezana obomvu kuthiwe you are now Dr. Lungile Mabhena. So kusho ukuthi ukuze ufike kwa PhD kosele udlule lapha kibo bachelor, honors and masters. So in this case ngaphasi kwesintu ilobolo yini? It's an admission to a bachelor's degree. It's your matric. But when ufuna uba yini? Ufuna uba ngumalukazana. You want to have a PhD. So in order for you to move from having a matric to a PhD, you have to go through all that process of bachelor's degree, honors and masters, right? So ngaphasi kwesintu konke lokho nofana iprocess leyo ibizwa ngokuthini? Yidwende nobukhazi in the Ndebele culture. In the Zulu culture uzokuza bakutshela ngombondo, ugqiba amasondo, umembeso and the like. That's when a woman has moved from ekhabo asemzini loyo bamfaka isiqholo, bathenthi attire, bamfaki inyongo leyo yesilwane zabe basihlabile. Now in each and every culture we have that particular thing. Umendo nofana i-traditional wedding are the rituals owenzako ekhabo lendodakho after they have what? Paid ilobola. Now, for those people that want to tell me about customary law, I have news for you. Just because something is legal doesn't make it right. Remember, apartheid was once legal. Slavery was once legal. Yes, a white man undressing a black man and rape him in front of his wife and kids was once considered legal. So the fact that i-high court ithi lobolo mtshado akutsho ukuthi baqinisile. We are the custodians of culture. We are the ones who should correct them and say, no, umuntu nakalotsheliweko akakendi, umuntu nakalotsheliweko akakatshadi. Ukuze atshade umuntu fanele akhambe nakaqeda ukulotsholwa aye emzini loyo ayokuhlatshelwa isilwanyana esithize, a-introduciwe ebezimini, aphahlelwe, anikelwe nemithetshwana yemzini leyo, imithetho nemithetshwana eyombonisa ukuthi leye khabe kadayazi ayifani neyalapho. That is a traditional wedding. So the reason why people are confused ngento yokuthi ilobolo is a traditional wedding, it's because of they have replaced isikopilo lokwenda. They have replaced idwendwe nobukhazi nofana whatever you call a traditional wedding in your culture ngani nge-white wedding. So replacing into leyo nge-white wedding, a white wedding angifuni ukuphikisana nani, niyazi ukuthi akusisiko labantu and niyazi ukuthi iza nabobani. And i-white wedding after umuntu sekayenzile ayihlanganise nelobolo aqaba ngokuthi uwendile. Well, legally, yes, you are married. According to a Christian religion, you are married. But according to culture, you are not married. Spirituality, under African spirituality, you are not married. You are not married because isikopilo elithatha isibongo sendodakho sikunikele sono akhange liphethwe. So, and then we move. Indaba yokuthi nasikhuluma ngesintu sisebenzise amagama wesikhuwa angasiwo wesintu ngiyo ke enye into eyenza ukuthi abantu baqinise baqabanga ukuthi ilobolo yini mumendo. Fana nayo i-bride price. For calling ilobolo i-bride price, so khuluma ngenye into because in the first place, we are not buying a wife. So when I for believing that ilobolo is actually bride price, kungakho unengqondo yokuthi now yemzini uyokuchiya ikomo uyokuthatha umfazi and immediately sikanesibongo sakho. Ukhohliwe ukuthi kosubuye naye ekheni uzomnikela isibongo eso umazise nakuphi nebezimini. So ama concept nofana words in English like our bride price magama enzani nofana ngisho ngithi ilimi lesikhuwa ngile lenza ukuthi abantu balahleke baqina seba confused and thinking that mhlambe naw lobolile kona sonomfazi. Naw lobolika awunamfazi unomlobokazi. Umuntu loyo ukuze abe ngumalukazana kwasafike la ekhaya azophetha amasiko layo afika hlangana nabo khari yakho naboma bemzini loyo bazomnikela umthetho walapho. Ngiwa ke loyo in traditional wedding, and it's so alarming that a lot of people abangizwa nangikhuluma ngento le because recently there's ubhuti loya uThemba Inkosi Mthembu bekathatha recently, and all those videos there awapostile kumngakafaka inyongo la akusili lobolo lela. Aksilo ilobolo and Mazulu, they are not paying lobolo there. Akuna sign ukuthi bebakhipha ilobolo, but all the signs in those videos, please go and watch them. Akhombisa amasiko phela engikhuluma ngawo, umbondo loyo, umgqina masondo, umembeso. All those traditions are what we call a traditional wedding. So akusisimple kwangokuthi basho wena ungathatha ini, ungathatha ikomo ukhambe uyoyichiya emzini awufika emzini uthi okay umuntu lo sho ukuthi yangwa kamabhena. Umthetho weqhegu awuthatha uyokufakwa emzini welinye iqhegu. Ukuze uthatha umntwana umnikele umthetho wakho kwase ukuthi asuke la ahlala khona eze kwakho ukhona ukumyala kuhle umnikele umthetho walapho emzini loyo. So I never said ilobola it's invalid. I never said ilobola yihamors. What I said is that ilobola it's something that happens before getting married. It's a ritual that happens when you are going to get married. And the fact that it happened, it doesn't make you umalukazana. It doesn't make you a wife. And the term makoti doesn't exist in the African culture dictionary. I do not care whether you are Sotho, you are Pedi, you are ulipondo, nofana umzulu. Asinali igama ekuthiwa ngumakoti. We only have igama elithini ngumalukazana. And in the Batwa nations, they also have a word for in umakoti. They don't call it umakoti. Igama lika makoti, it's one of those terms like khoisen, eza nani namakhuwa to ngithini kunamagama amanenge siwasebenzisayo thina sibabantu ekungasiwe wethu. They come from what? They come from white people. They created those words and just what? To further confuse us. Now, if it happens that wena uyakhamba uyokusayina ekhotho ukuthi uyathatha, ntwana ekhaya angikwali bekodwa ngikuphikisi. Angiwaphikisa amaloya afikile la wangitshela ngomthetho ukuthi ngikhambe ngiyokufunda umthetho. Angikwali lokho ukuthi wena legally you are married. Mina ngikhulumela isintu, ngikhulumela i-African culture. You understand? Ngikhulumela isintu, ngikhulumela ini i-African culture. Culturally nawungakenza idwendwe nobukhazi nofana umtjhado loyo wesintu engikhuluma ngawo awukakendi. Culturally, spiritually, nangazange kwahlatshwa isilwane, kwakhitshwa inyongo, wathelwa ngayo, wakhothiswa yona, yafakwa esandleni, yaqobotshola engutshane nakho, nofana bakufaka yona ehloko, awukakendi. Usazokwenda. And all this ngibawa ukuthi nazi ukuthi it doesn't come from a place of jealousy. It doesn't come from a place of thinking I know better. It comes from a place as a spiritualist, as a sanusi, to say I've seen this happening and ngiyakhona ukubona ukuthi abantu abanengi sebaqabanga ukuthi ukulotsholwa kwenzani kukwenda, and I was right. That's why I had to come and address this. Remember the famous case of Uses Zahara. Kwangathi umoya kungalala ke abelidlozi elihle. uZahara, when she passed away, ababelethi bakhe akhange bavuma ukuthi ubhudulo ahlekisana naye ukuthi bamngcwabe. The guy even I think he tried to go to court ukulwela ini isidumbu saka Zahara. Kodwana the reason why abantu bekhaba Zahara, of which they are Xhosa people, never allowed that guy to speak lapha emngcwabeni and to also bury uZahara, it's because bekamlobole kuphela, beyangakamthathi akhamba umenzela amasiko wesiXhosa. And also isiXhosa nesindebele sibuye sifane kancane. Thina amandebele when you when after getting married, after ukwenza idwendwe nobukhazi, uyabuya ekhaya unikelwe igama elitsha elikhombisa ukuthi wena awusesemndazana uphumile esigabeni leso. NemaXhoseni they do give new wives names. Sengazi ke kweminye imhlobo, but ke okunakho ngilokhu namhlanje. So bantwana bekhaya, refrain from thinking ukuthi ilobolo is a traditional wedding or ilobolo ithi ukuthi you are now a wife. You are not a wife. Ilobolo is something that happens before getting married. And I'm not saying it's invalid. On my next video, I'm going to discuss ukuthi kuhle ilobolo le nayikhitshwa nje, what role does it play? Since it's not a traditional wedding, what role does it play? Why does it have to be idlozi lendoda? Why am I saying amadlozi ahlala phasi akhulumisani during lobola negotiations? Why am I saying that? I'm going to discuss that and more and try to wrap up all this topic yani yelobola nokwenda. Ngithemba ukuthi ke ufundile ke namhlanje and ngibawa ukuthi nangabe umumuntu ophila isintu, nangabe umumuntu othanda iculture, funisisa izinto zekhenu. And kunento ebathi ma constant laws. Constant laws is what we call culture. There's a difference between culture and tradition. Into eyenzeka ebantwini abanengi abamnyama is what we call a culture. Better they are traditions. If I wanted to speak about a tradition, I was going to speak about something like ukungenisa abobaba, which is a tradition that only happens esithabeni samandebele wakwanzunza, ingasi amandebele amahlubi, ingasi amandebele wamanala, ingasi amandebele wemletlana. Only the Nzunza nation practice what ungenisa bobaba. Now that is a tradition. I was going to say mandebele wanzunza buyan lakhe siqoqeni ngendaba yani yongenisa bobaba. But I was not only talking to what to Ndebele people. I was speaking to Africans in and outside of Africa. Ngikhuluma ngani nge-traditional wedding, trying to show people or trying to teach you ukuthi ilobolo is not a traditional wedding. There are many other rituals that people skip that's supposed to happen after a wedding that people have replaced with a white wedding. That is what we call a traditional wedding. In order for you to have a third surname, in order for you to be introduced to our ancestors, womundo hlekisana naye, there are rituals that have to be done. Ne? I am calling all people that say, I talk to ancestors. Ngiyinyanga, ngiyisanusi, ngiyisangoma. How else would you actually take a surname unike lumundu? Is it possible ukuthatha ikomo ufike uyibeke emzini bese and say, Tara, I've now given you a surname? No, it's not possible. These rituals that happen after ilobolo is what we call a traditional wedding. In the Ndebele culture, a woman would live from angasuke khaba ungelesibili, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. So la kusemzini abantu wenzani uthola umthetho walapho, wenzani wethulwa ebezimini balapho, is doing all these rituals that we know, just like ukuhlatshelwa isilwane ukuthi athelwe ngenyongo, and every other ritual that we may never know unless ukhambe uniyokubona ingoma yokwenda. You understand? So in the Zulu culture, I think it takes 1 or 2 days. It differs ukuthi nina ekhenu niyenza kabuthaka kangangani, nofana niyenza msinya kangangani, nofana mingaki imsebenzi leyo, nofana amasikopilo lawo, those rituals that have to be performed for that woman to move from being umntazana to what? To umalukazana. So yeah, I don't want to talk too much, but this is it. Lobolo is not a traditional wedding. Lobolo is not marriage. Idwende nobukhazi in the Ndebele culture or under the Ndebele culture is a traditional wedding. In the Zulu culture, they also have ubukhazi. Ubukhazi exists everywhere. We just call it with what? With different names. And also to the Batwa nations, there's a specific group of the Batwa nations. And when I speak to the Batwa nations, I'm talking to those people that say Dumelang Kialebucha. There's a word called Matsidiso. You give it to a girl child. Abantwana benu ababandazana nithi bo Matsidiso. Now I want to ask you a question. What is Matsidiso? What is the origin of the word Matsidiso? And if you can give yourself time to go and find out what Matsidiso is, you will be answered. Or uzokhona ukungizwa nangithi mina Mahadi asilinyalo. And I'm sorry if I mispronounce any words, whether bekungele Zulu nofana bengele Sotho. My apologies. Ngisafunda nami and soke siyafundisana. Ngiyathokoza ke bantwana bekhaya, mina ukho kutheni la ngiluka umseme because abantu bayalotshola and nabalotsholayo kose bongena ini isimanje idwendwe nobukhazi. So kufuneka ini umseme wentendre bantwana bekhaya. Akukho kutheni sizakuhlangana on my next video. Bye. And now I have to actually turn this video off. Okay. Siyathokoza.